What if you could transform your kitchen with just one appliance? Stick around to discover which pressure cooker air fryer combo truly deserves a spot on your countertop. Number 5. Ninja FD305CO. Let's kick off our list with the Ninja FD305CO, a 10-in-1 powerhouse that promises to air fry, pressure cook, slow cook, bake, and more. At first glance, the Ninja impresses with its robust build and a generous 6.5 quart capacity, making it a solid choice for families or meal preppers. The control panel is intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons for each function, and the included recipe book offers plenty of inspiration for both beginners and seasoned cooks alike. During testing, I found the air frying feature to be a standout, delivering crispy wings and fries with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. The pressure cooker function also performed well, turning out tender stews and perfectly cooked rice in a fraction of the usual time. The multifunctionality means you can easily switch between cooking styles without juggling multiple appliances, which is a major space saver in any kitchen. However, the Ninja FD305CO does come with a few drawbacks. Its size is both a blessing and a curse. While it can handle large meals, it's noticeably bulkier than most competitors. If your kitchen is tight on space, finding a home for this appliance might be a challenge. Additionally, while the device is generally easy to clean, the air fryer basket and accessories require a bit more elbow grease to get spotless after greasy meals. Another point worth mentioning is the learning curve for new users. While the controls are straightforward, mastering the timing and settings for different recipes takes a few tries. Number 4. Instant Pot 142-06801. Next up is the Instant Pot 140-006H01, a hybrid that aims to combine the best of pressure cooking and air frying in one sleek package. The first thing you'll notice is its modern design and the promise of saving space by merging two of the most popular kitchen appliances. With a larger air frying capacity and multiple cooking presets, it's designed for versatility and convenience. In my tests, the Instant Pot handled pressure cooking with ease, producing fork-tender meats and fluffy rice. The air fryer lid is a welcome addition, delivering golden, crispy results on fries and chicken wings. The digital interface is user-friendly, and the variety of pre-programmed settings makes it easy to experiment with new recipes. But it's not all sunshine. The Instant Pot 140-006H01 is bulkier than a standard Instant Pot, and the air frying function requires a 5-minute preheat, which can be inconvenient when you're in a hurry. Cleaning the wire tray after air frying is also more difficult than I'd like, and the exposed heating element can make maintenance a bit tricky. During my hands-on review, I also noticed that the sealing ring can't be removed, which may affect long-term durability and ease of cleaning. Another minor gripe is the price point. This model is around $100 more than earlier versions, and I found myself questioning whether the extra cost is justified given the cleaning hassles and bulkiness. While it does a decent job at both pressure cooking and air frying, it doesn't quite match the performance of standalone devices in either category. Three. Instant Pot DAGS0120-01. Taking the third spot is the Instant Pot 12-0120-01, a 6-quart combo that truly shines in both pressure cooking and air frying. This model stands out for its even crisp technology, which promises all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with up to 95% less oil. The two removable lids make it easy to switch between functions, and the stainless steel inner pot ensures even cooking and durability. What I loved most about this Instant Pot was its versatility. With 11 customizable smart programs, you can air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, slow cook, and more, all with the touch of a button. The pressure cooker function is particularly impressive, slashing cooking times for stews, beans, and rice while locking in flavor and moisture. The air fryer lid delivers on its promise, producing crispy fries and chicken wings that rival restaurant quality. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe lids, pot, and accessories. The anti-spin design of the inner pot keeps everything in place during sautéing, and the fingerprint-resistant exterior means it always looks sharp on your counter. I also appreciated the safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, which gave me peace of mind during testing. While the air fryer basket is a bit narrow for the unit's size, it's a minor trade-off for the overall convenience and performance. The Instant Pot 1 and 2 or 1201 is perfect for families or anyone who loves experimenting with new recipes. It's a true workhorse that brings unmatched efficiency and versatility to your kitchen. 2. Nuwave Duet Deluxe. Runner-up on my list is the Nuwave Duet Deluxe, a multi-cooker that takes versatility to the next level. With over 300 pre-programmed presets and combo cook technology, this appliance can pressure cook, air fry, roast, grill, bake, dehydrate, sear, steam, slow cook, and more. The 2 removable lids and easy-to-read digital screen make switching between functions seamless, and the 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal preppers. During my hands-on testing, I was blown away by how quickly and evenly the Nuwave cooked everything from pot roast to crispy fries. The combo cook function is a game changer, allowing you to tenderize your food with pressure cooking and then finish it off with a crispy air fry. Meals cooked up to 70% faster, and the air frying reduced fat and calories by up to 75%, a win for both health and convenience. The Nuwave safety features, including SureLock technology and 15 built-in safeguards, made me feel confident using it for a variety of recipes. The included recipe book is a nice touch, though I did notice some inconsistencies in the instructions. Still, the appliance is intuitive, and I quickly learned to adjust times for perfect results. One minor downside is the coating on the air fryer basket, which showed some wear after heavy use. However, this didn't affect performance, and the overall build quality is solid. The delay timer and large capacity made meal prep a breeze, and I found myself reaching for the Nuwave more often than expected. 1. Instant Pot 13004301. And finally, my top pick, the Instant Pot 13004301. This model takes everything you love about pressure cookers and air fryers and combines them into one flawless package. With a spacious 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain. The intuitive controls and wide range of presets make it easy to whip up anything from tender pulled chicken to crispy fries in no time. What sets this Instant Pot apart is its exceptional ease of use and versatility. The air fryer lid delivers consistently crispy results, while the pressure cooker function is fast, reliable, and locks in flavor. I was able to cook a variety of dishes: chicken wings, French fries, rice, and more, all with minimal effort and maximum flavor. The intuitive design means even beginners can get restaurant-quality results on their first try. Cleanup is quick and painless, thanks to the dishwasher-safe components and non-stick surfaces. The build quality is excellent, and the appliance feels sturdy and well-made. I also appreciated the thoughtful safety features, which made me feel comfortable leaving it unattended during longer cooking sessions. Perhaps the best part is how much time and space you save. With this one appliance, you can retire your old slow cooker, air fryer, and rice cooker, freeing up valuable counter space. The overwhelmingly positive reviews from other users echo my experience. This Instant Pot is a true kitchen game changer. Final thought. There you have it, my top 5 pressure cooker air fryer combos, tested and ranked. Whether you're looking for value, versatility, or sheer cooking power, there's an option here for every kitchen. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments below.